In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Admin Console settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key settings that shape your organization's Google Workspace experience and how to move through them confidently. First, open your browser and go to the Google Admin Console. Sign in with an administrator account that has permission to view and change organization settings. If you manage multiple domains or roles, double-check you're signed in with the right admin profile to avoid confusion. On the Admin Console homepage, look for the section labeled Account. This is your hub for organization level settings. Open it, then choose Account Settings. You'll see a series of categories that group related controls, and we'll walk through them in order. Start with Profile. This is where you confirm your organization name, primary language, and time zone. Keeping this accurate helps ensure emails, logs, and scheduled tasks align with your region and branding. Next, open Contact Info. Set reliable monitored contact addresses for important notifications from Google. Use team or role-based mailboxes rather than personal addresses so alerts don't get missed when people change roles. Move to Preferences. Here you'll find general options that influence the overall admin experience and some default behaviors. Review them with your team's operating standards in mind so the console behaves predictably. Open Smart Features for Google Workspace. These controls manage assistive and recommendation features across services. Align these with your organization's privacy, security, and compliance requirements and be transparent with users about what's enabled. Head to Account Management. This area centralizes organization-level management options. It's a good place to confirm recovery settings, review who can manage critical items, and make sure your lifecycle processes are reflected in your configuration. Select Personalization to see the overview, then go into the dedicated personalization page. Here you adjust how Google uses data to tailor the experience across services. Choose the level of personalization that fits your culture and regional obligations and document your choices. Open Conflicting Accounts Management. If users have both consumer and work accounts with similar usernames, this helps you guide them and reduce sign-in friction. Next, Legal and Compliance. Review terms, compliance-related settings, and references that your legal or security teams may need. Make decisions here in alignment with your governance policies. Finally, go to Custom URLs. If you want simple addresses like a branded link for core services, configure them here and ensure your DNS records match your chosen URLs before rollout. As you make changes, save frequently and allow time for settings to propagate. That's it. Now you know how to access and navigate the Google Admin Console settings that matter most.